Welcome back, crocheters. As many of you requested, this video is how to make the tassel on my market bag. However, this is my mini market bag. Here's the tassel, super easy. Wooden beads are optional. I got mine at Hobby Lobby. It's June 10th. If you get them this week, they are on sale. But stay tuned. Tutorial for the mini market bag will be coming today or tomorrow. You can make it for any of your bags. It doesn't have to be the market bag or the mini market bag. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you the supplies you need and let's get started.
It's the original, and then I'm going to be adding it to the pink. You're going to need whatever yarn you used, wooden beads, scissors, a darning needle, a book or cardboard, and the hook you use. You're going to start by wrapping your yarn around a book about 20 times. Obviously, you can use cardboard if you don't have a book on you. I am a former art teacher, so this is a book I had on hand. Go ahead and cut the end. Now you're going to want to cut another piece that's about a foot or longer. So you're going to wrap it underneath and you're going to tie it. I like to tie mine. You can even wrap it more than once around. I'm just going to wrap it once because I trust the process. And I'm going to knot it 2 to 3 times. Super easy, and the ends are long enough to where they'll blend in perfectly with the tassel. Remove it from the book, or you can leave it on, but I'm going to remove it. And now we're going to create the loop so that we can attach it to our bag. And now you're going to take your working yarn and whatever hook you used. I'm going to be using a 5.5. And now we are going to chain 35. And this is literally just a basic chain. While we're waiting for me to chain this, do y'all have any favorite yarn that you like to use to make bags? If so, put it down below because I would like to know some more options. So far, I've been loving the bulky twist by Loops and Threads, and I also have been loving the 24/7 cotton yarn by Lion Brand. I'm always looking for something that's like really sturdy that doesn't get stained easily, that holds its structure. All right, so I have chained my 35. I'm going to snip the end and pull the last yarn through. And now we're going to straighten up, make sure your chain is completely straight, and then we are going to slip stitch it together. And you're going to pull through. Trust me, that's what I did. I pulled it through. You can't really see. After you are done pulling this through, we're going to wrap it around where we have previously wrapped around our bunch of yarn. You're just going to tie it right over it. And definitely double knot it, triple knot it, whatever you need to do. So again, that is over where we previously had tied yarn onto it. So now we have the loop ready. Now we're going to cut a piece of yarn that's about a little over a foot. And we're going to lay our piece in the center of it. You're going to tie a knot. Definitely double knot it. And then you're going to take your yarn and you're going to wrap it around it. You can wrap it around it as many times as you want. I think I did it about 4 or 5 times. I trust nothing, so I am going to knot this at the end. So after you're done knotting it, you're going to take your needle and you're going to poke the end through, the one that you wrapped it around with. You're going to poke that through the middle and it's going to be hidden and completely safe. You want to brush this out with your fingers to make it as neat as possible. Get to your desired length and then you're going to cut the ends off. Honestly, this is the fun, satisfying part. And then if you need to give it a little haircut just to make sure they're all even. And now you can easily just slip this around whatever bag you want around the handle.
If you love this tassel tutorial and you want to make a bag to put it on, I have the perfect bags for you, my market bag or my mini market bag. If the video isn't here yet, then it is still in the works, but it will be coming here very soon. Happy crocheting!